All right. What's up, guys? Um, Woke up pretty late, so I have to hurry up and get on here. Just getting on. Uh, right now, we're just gonna mark out. Dang, market's down already. Uh, Market still hasn't opened. This is all pre-market, but let's just go ahead and mark out highs and lows. So August 4th. So this is Asia high. This is Asia high. Um, Wait, whoa. This is London high. That one blue. And you know, this is actually Asia high. Wow, surprising. Asia moved pretty good today. And this up here is London high. Barely swept it. Um, London low. That's down here. Asia low somewhere all the way down here. Let's see. It's 15 o'clock. What's 15 o'clock? 15 o'clock. 1 is 13, 2 is 14, 3 is 15, 4 is 16. All right. This is Asia low. And I think that might work as well. All right. Boom. We got literally a minute. Okay. So, on the high, on the lows, let's go to the hourly. Mark out this high. Mark out. Now that high is basically the same high. Let's mark out this low. Mark out this low. I can take this one off. Well, actually, I can move this one to this high, actually. Let's make these different colors. Find another low. No, 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 no. Not too many. It's not really too many. That's good though. Let's go to the 4 hour. 9:30 candle just opened. Market just opened. It's good. 4 hour candle. What am I doing? Man, these lows are all really the same. But that just hit our key level. That just literally hit all our key levels. It just swept Asia and London low. So let's just wait for this candle to close and see the reaction off of it. Looking for a confirmation confluence or a reversal confluence. So this could be a retracement, but this literally just swept Asia, like destroyed it, closed below it too. I think there's some news today as well. Forex Factory. Let's check news. Um, forgetting my computer is touchscreen. Yeah, so we have news today at 10 a.m. We had news at 8 a.m. as well. This hit. Let's see what are the details on it. Trump spoke today. All right, but we're waiting for a information confluence. That was a break of structure. Um, if it bullish is past here, well, we're gonna see break of structure. I want to see the trend change. So it's gonna have to be a huge high for the trend to change. But it's gonna create a new low if the trend is gonna be the same. I'm just entering yet. Right. But this could be filling this fair value gap. Let me check the 5 minute. I like watching the 5 minute better. Yeah. See, so that just swept price really. So what we could expect here, what I'm looking for here, I'm looking for either a continuation confluence, so something that's going to tell me whether this is going to continue to go down, or something that's going to tell me this is just gonna just go back up. But right now, my bias is looking short, so let's go mark out some more key levels to target if we are too short. So bang, especially on the hourly, bang, and one more for the day. I think it could hit here. Think it could. Let's check the 1 minute again. The fair value gap got filled. Lower high was created, so the trend has changed. But for it to be a change of structure, for it to be break of structure, this candle has to close above this high in order for it to change the trend. So I'm gonna see. Everything's moving pretty bullish right now. Uh Trend might already be changing because yeah. Just wanna watch this on the 5 minute. price moves past here strong, so make these white. Price closes above this line right here. It'll be a change of structure, break of structure, I meant to say. And the price moves down here strong. That's gonna be my continuation confluence for me to possibly enter. But I'm just gonna wait right now because this isn't a real setup. This is just like just straight volatility. But we saw fair value gap get filled. See a leg up. All I want to see now is a break of structure. That's all I want to see. Break of structure. All right. Structure.
Move back.
I want to see it close. And let's just see how this candle does before we just press buy.
Picture. Comment on your thing.
Right. And all right. All right.
Order.
That's us right there. Stop loss below here. And we're gonna aim for Asia high. And we're in. And yeah, we lost. We're gonna set a first take profit at this key level. Two, three, 375. If this even hits, sometimes news comes out at 10. Once this first take profit hits, we're just gonna put our stop loss to break even, and then it's just smooth sailing from there. Or if it hits, because boy. Probably should have put my stop loss on that. Um, 5 minutes just going in between green and red. Like it doesn't know what it wants to do. Daily bias is green. I would just put take profit at break even and get out and look for a re-entry, but I really trust this setup. I really genuinely think this is gonna hit. So I don't know. I'm just gonna look to hold it because I think the price is gonna hit these move towards these key levels. Just wait for see. Here we go. Them. There we go.
Order.
All right, there we go. First TP hit. I made $370. Let's make the rest. We hit that hourly high. Let's go take out Asia highs. Actually, we're gonna demolish Asia highs. Let's try London highs. Now, if I close this trade, I'm up like $700, but I made a guaranteed 300, so I'm not even really worried. Because if this hits my stop loss, then shows I was wrong for the day. and it literally hits a stop loss of $5. So profit $5 actually. So yeah. Check my phone. Hey, bro, I'm getting closer and closer to it, man. I was so tired yesterday, bro. Like just from all the moving and stuff, and then I barely ate, and like, bro, I was just super tired, bro. Asia highs got hit, and so did the
Order
London
filled.
highs. So we're done for today. Just did 1100 today. 400 more away from the eval. Um, damn, that sucks. Literally could have passed the eval today, but it is what it is. We're not gonna force anything. No, why did I do that? Well, I don't know what I just moved. I think I just moved my, but yeah. Um, Great trade, bro. I stayed patient through it, even though it almost hit my stop loss a lot. Uh, I read my confluences, and yeah, this is great trade. Um, saw the daily bias was green from right here. Once this candle turned green, and then on the 15 minute, you just saw the bullish momentum. It was breaking. It was breaking structures. It was just going up. A lot of bullish momentum. Let's see. On the 30 minute, this literally shot up. I didn't even like go see that. But on the 5 minute, here's how I got my confluences to enter. Came down here, right? Came down right here. We swept Asia and London lows. Now, all I was looking for, I thought daily bias was short, but I said before I even create a bias, let's wait and see for a continuation or a reversal confluence. Right? We got that reversal confluence. It came up, it made a new high. Well, it came up, it bullished up, break a structure on the 5 minute with this candle right here, right? Let me see. No, wrong one. Break a structure on the 5 minute with this candle right here. This candle broke structure. So that means the trend has changed. And I just wrote this bullish momentum on it. It gave me here's some more confluences on the 1 minute that, persuaded me to enter. I want to say I entered like right up here. I entered in the middle of this candle. It came up. Guess what? Break a structure on the 1 minute as well. This candle broke structure. So I know the trend has changed. I should have waited a little bit longer so I can get a better, just have a less stressful trade, get a better entry, probably entered off one of these candles. But I knew the trend has changed. The trend is going uptrend now. This is the newer high. So I pressed buy, waited it out. It almost hit my stop loss a couple of times. Set two take profits, one to this key level, and then we targeted Asia and London highs as one key level because they're around the same price. So yeah, that's how we made $1,100 today. Um, kind of mad that I didn't do the 400, but it's whatever. We got tomorrow. Um, yes, whatever. We got tomorrow to do $400. But yeah, guys. See you guys later. I'm about to go back to sleep. So peace.